Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're out on the boat with the homie. Let's get it. It's the bottoms. Let me see it. I'm gonna rig it from the top side. No, other side. Yep. Bro, we are moving.
You have not been like...
Nope. Nope. I just been fishing.
That's fishing.
That's all I've been doing, massive.
There you go. That's what I did with it.
That crawdaddy. Ugh. You said rotate? Okay, full box, 300.
Now you want me to play forward there.
What'd you say?
I want to play forward.
Mine just updated this morning, so. Wow, no wind. Must be dreaming. Oh God. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Ah, damn, drag loose. We going back over there. What the f?
You recording?
Yeah, I hope so.
Fuck yeah.
Go.
Oh, fuck.
God damn. Oh shit, there we go. I think the lizard's the move today, bud.
Nah.
For sure.
Oh my god, Tatum.
Oh god, what? Oh my god. Alright. God damn it.
Alright guys, Eli's climbing back up.
GoPro, stop recording. I'm horrible. They're just straight up bad. I don't know what the f doing right now. Oh. Finally. Right in the tongue. Sorry about that.
Really?
Oh my god. Well, you little spunky ass. Cold fish. How the f is that? There's another one. How do I hook ya? This fuck boy.
Like on God, what they do that for though?
They know exactly what they were doing.
There's no need.
They know exactly. I've never been able to tell if that was a rock or a piece of a building. Rock. Ow. You getting a little too surgical.
Daddy's home. Doesn't mean I'm not backlashing.
Daddy's home. Starts crashing the phone. Oh, so daddy's abusive, huh?
Daddy doesn't pay child support. Oh, all this good casting, I still don't think you fish up.
So all this good casting is irrelevant.
Tell the fish on my line don't matter.
What the?
No. What the?
Oh my God! Ah. What the fuck just happened?
That spinner.
Dude, it was tangled up. Oh my God.
I'm just stuck.
Can you flick me up?
Yeah. Let me get this inside.
For sure.
Well, actually. It's the goddamn jiggler school.
Please tell me
In
I'm
your
recording.
bush.
What just?
My whole shit. My whole shit, man. Nah, man, you took.
Do you want me to? Oh my. Oh my.
Yeah,
Dude.
my whole god.
Oh. I have never had that happen. Oh my. Thank you. Oh my God. I guess my spinnerbait's just a heat-seeking missile.
Some bass lure or something on that shit.
What'd you say?
Maybe put some bass keys on that spinner.
What is that? Oh.
Oh, got it. Good job.
Stop at the bluegill. Honestly, cut the video kind of short today. Had a good day. Can't complain. But y'all let me know what you want to see in the future and what I can improve on and shit. And hell yeah. I'll catch y'all later.